Hello everyone. Today we're going to tell you how to solve systems via graphing. Today so when you solve a system via graphing, you need to have two equations. Here we have two equations set up for us. 2x plus y equals 5 and negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 4. And so we need to first convert both equations to its y-intercept form. Y-intercept form, if you haven't learned already, is the value of y equals the slope plus the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the value of y when x equals 0. That's what it means. So for our first equation, 2x plus y equals 5, we need to first isolate the y by itself. So, one way to do it is we need to move y to the other side. You can do that by subtracting both sides by y. So, that's it. So, 2x plus y equals 5, alright? Minus both sides, y and y. And so it'll be 2x plus, y minus y is 0, so plus nothing actually, equals 5. Well, 0 minus y is negative y. So it'll be 2x equals 5 minus y.
Oh, okay. You just said the same thing I said.
Damien, what's up?
So that's kind of.
And now we can move 5 to the other side. So we're trying to, isolate y by itself. Wait, I think no, this is a lot more complicated way to actually solve this. Let's make it easier. My bad. So 2x plus y equals 5. So yeah, the easier way to do it is just move 2x to the other side. So like I said earlier, we need to make it, to move the other side, we need to turn that 2x here, here, into 0. So we subtract both sides by 2x, 0 plus y, which we just minus that, just y by itself, because 5 minus 2x. Simple as that. Ah, look at that. That wasn't too hard. So that's for the first equation. For second equation, negative 2y equals 3x plus 4. We can isolate, y by itself again. And so we need to divide both sides by negative 2. Why do you do this? Because y is attached to negative 2, which means it is still not by itself. And if you do this, you divide both sides by negative 2. Why divide both sides by negative 2? Because negative 2 divided by negative, in division, when you divide a number by itself, you get 1. That's what we're looking for. So it'll be y, so negative 2 y equals negative 3 x plus 4 over negative 2. This here cancels out, just be y equals negative divided by negative, it's a positive. Positive, that. And 4 divided by negative 2 is plus 2. Ooh, look at that. That's it. What is it? Hold on. No. It'd be a negative, I think.
You can't come up with an answer because you don't know what
I might be doing this wrong, but, I'll revise that with the video. So we just have to graph it now. Let's convert this. Let's flip these two numbers around. So it will be y equals negative 2x plus 5, and here, sorry like that. So y equals 3 over 2x plus 2. Let's graph it. Small grapher. So for the first equation, the y-intercept is 5. We put here what x equals 0. We put here that's 5. Very nice. And then we can go down. It says the slope, it's negative 2. You have to convert that to a fraction. negative 2 equals negative 2 over 1. Yeah, since we're a graphs move from left to right. Because of that, the denominator must be a positive. Because
On your video.
and in slope form, in slopes,
And make sure you explain other
the top, the numerator is always the rise, or when the y goes up. The denominator is the x, or when value goes right. That's it. When x goes right. Goes sideways. Yeah, that's right. So that's what we get. Think of 2 over 1. So we go down by 2, because it's negative 2, like I said.
What do you need?
And 1, and repeat that, and until we can't no more. Very simple, you know. You get this done quickly. There's no point wasting time. And here we change to a line. Make a sweet profit, right?
What's it doing?
Nah.
What's it showing you? What's it giving you?
I think I got this one here wrong. 4 divided by a neg 4 divided by... This should be a negative actually. So 4 divided by negative 2 should be a negative 2. Why? Because, well, 4 divided by negative 2 is equivalent to 4 times negative 0.5. Which is equivalent to...
So exit out of the video.
Yeah. You go to negative 2.
Like,
So it'll
close
be
the
negative
video
2.
altogether. Like double tap the home screen and close.
I'm just used to doing stuff in decimal. So I prefer just the decimal
Okay.
form.
Go to the
That's a
YouTube
whole different topic. I'm gonna explain that.
Hit the X
Yeah.
on the top left there.
So a rule of thumb is you divide a positive number by a negative
Bottom,
number,
bottom.
the result will always be in negative. So, but that's not the scope of this
Okay.
tutorial.
So go to your
I'm not gonna
settings.
stay anything further. So fix this. Voila. So
You don't have to have, like,
this
go to
equation,
actual
the bottom
settings,
equation,
like actual settings.
y
Okay, you're welcome.
equals 3 over 2x
Okay,
minus
go
2.
down to privacy.
The y-intercept is negative 2 this time.
Go to.
And here, boom.
No, I'm sorry. Go to photos. What am I saying? Go to photos. Yeah, right there where it says privacy.
Now, how we get negative 3 divided by negative 2 equals 3 over 2 is because, well, we cannot exactly divide. Since we're using fractions,
Okay, now go
can't
back
actually
to
divide
YouTube.
them. And if you divide negative number by negative number, you just get a positive number. And that's really it,
Alright,
really.
okay.
So 3 over 2, and according to the rise of a run,
Alright,
the rise is 3 and the run is 2. Said earlier, the numerator is always the rise, the denominator is always the run. So you go up 3, we go right 2. From negative 2, 0, negative 2, we go up 3. 1, 2,
why do you only have one line on number 2?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, boom. 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 Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let me fix this line. This doesn't look good. Looks pretty bad actually. Yeah, look at this. This point is wrong. Very smart. Yes.
I'm ready for my
Yeah, I'm very smart at
Can you do me a
graphing.
favor, so I can go over this yet again with you? Can you erase all this for me, please?
Very smart at graphing. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
1, 2. Hold on. I drew this line wrong. Give me a moment. So 1, 2, boom. 1, 2,
The
boom.
what is?
1, 2, boom. 1, 2,
Your
boom.
attitude towards
1,
it is
2,
so bad.
boom. 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 And voila.
Yeah.
I always have like a big paragraph about how they research so bad.
Always? How many times would you say is always?
Does it look good?
5 times? Wow, you need a life.
It's literally so bad.
That's fair enough. I'm not gonna play much really.
There's a lot that seems to annoy you though. Like evidently I annoy you.
Fixing this angle here.
Sometimes. A lot of
Nice.
things are really good.
Very nice. Now here I make a line.
Like it looks like nothing is
Yeah.
changing.
Ready?
Start in that corner. Very nice.
any help with your slides?
Okay.
I like this light here. Oh, look at that. Now, to find a solution for this equation, this system of equation, we just take the middle point of these two lines.
Are you
And over
ready
here,
to watch the map?
middle point
Okay.
is 2 over 1.
This equation right here.
Boom, 2 over 1. Now to verify this, you must take both equations and replace the x and the y value, the respective x and the y value of the solution.
When we do the
So for the first equation, 2x plus y equals 5, we take the x from the solution, or 2, be 2,
Which slide are you on?
2, right, 2 plus, and the y, which is 1.
-3, that's gonna be right here.
5, 4 plus 1 equals 5, and 5 equals 5. So for the first equation, check.
Okay, the second time. I do
Second equation,
x plus
negative 2y,
y equals 3. I do the cover up
negative
here.
2
Make that y equals 3.
y
Okay, that is
equals
right here.
negative 3
That's gonna generate
x
this line right here.
plus 4. Like I said earlier, replace blah blah blah, so negative 2 times 1
Do you see that or no?
equals
You're right.
negative
At this moment, are you good?
3, 4
Okay, let's
plus
do the
4.
second equation.
You simplify this, so negative 2, 1 be negative 2 equals negative 12 plus 4.
Okay.
No, no,
I'm
what?
gonna move this over.
Oh my god, so stupid.
Okay,
It's not 4,
Add
it's
3.
2.
I'm gonna do the opposite and remove it.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be 3y minus 3x
2,
4.
the negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 2 equals negative 6 plus 4, which is negative 2 equals negative 2, and check. As you can see, the value is indeed 2 over 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our last tutorial. Have a nice day, everyone, and yeah.